solemnly swear to abide by the Constitution and bylaws of the Integrated Philippine Association of Optometrists, Inc. To perform my duties to the best of my ability and capacity.
Raise your right hand.
Without fear and favor. With the aim in view of furthering the purposes of the organization and advancing the interests of the profession to which it is dedicated. To conduct myself in a manner befitting a good and true optometrist, so as to bring honor and prestige to the organization, and that I take this pledge without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to you.